Hey, to connect your Redmi 14C into your TV, first of all, on your smartphone, you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network like on your TV. This is like essential. And also, you have to turn off Bluetooth. Next, go for settings, open more connectivity options, and click on cast. Then tap on the switcher to turn on casting. Click on this agree button for privacy statement. Now accept this finding permission, and now it's searching for your TV. And as you can see here, I can find both of my TVs, so it works for the LG, for the Samsung TV. And now all I have to do is just to click on the name of your TV, and now on your TV with the remote controller, you will have to actually accept this request. So now just wait. I'm waiting for the loading screen, and there we go. Now it is finished, and I can even take the photo and show you that it really works. So take a look. I'm gonna open the camera. Now I'm gonna zoom in into my TV. There we go. The photo was taken, and take a look. That's how it actually looks. So I'm really connected, and I'm really casting screen of my Redmi 14C to my TV. So that will be all, and thanks for watching.